Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Ju Travel. For today's video, I'm doing another reaction. This time I'm going to react another performance of BGYO. So they're doing a song entitled Soda Pop. So this performance video of them was happened during their guesting on ASAP last weekend. So excited na ako nito guys because you know I'm one of BGYO's fan or I'm one of the aces. So before proceed to my reaction, if you're new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe, hit the like buttons, click the notification bell in case I have a new video uploaded so that you'll be notified. So without any delay, let's proceed to this reaction. Hello aces. Ooh, ang cute nila tingnan. Ang ganda ng stage. Ang ganda ng outfit nila. Bagay na bagay. Ang galing nila sumayaw so. Ooh. The synchronization. Para talaga silang yung nasa animation na ano sa K-pop Demon Hunters. Tuwang-tuwa ako nung nanood ako ng movie na yun eh. Grabe yung mga mukha ng BGYO eh. Walang tapon. Wow guys, ang ganda ng performance nila. So dito pa lang tayo sa half. Akala ko ano to yung full version ng kanta kasi nga pagtingin ko is 2 minutes lang yung performance. So yun pa lang maiksi yung sa ano talaga sa Demon Hunters. Ang ganda lang ano panoorin nila yung outfit nila, bagay na bagay. Tapos yung ganda ng stage plus may audience pa sa kanila nakapalibot. So ang ganda, ang cool ng tingnan. Plus, ang galing talaga ng BGYO sumayaw eh. Ang ano, galawan nila parang iisa ba yung synchronization nila talaga. Di talaga tatawaran ba yun? So, proceed natin. Wow, ang galing yung galaw parang yung nasa animation talaga. Cool nila tingnan oh. Ooh, may dance break. Wow, look at Nate. Sipa-sipa pa. Ooh. Jello. Galing din sumayaw eh. Bagay na bagay ni Nate yung suot niya kasi buhok niya. Si JL naman colorful. Si Aki isang kulay lang yellow. Galing dito talaga sa sumayaw. Nakataka lang ako guys, bakit ang dami ng basher? Parang ang bait-bait naman ng mga mukha nila. Parang ang cool na kasama. Ang cool. Bagay na bagay talaga nila itong Soda Pop oh. Ang galing kasi nila sumayaw. Wow, nakaka-enjoy pa panoorin nila. So there you go guys, my reaction to the performance video of BGYO with the song entitled Soda Pop on ASAP. So I hope you like and enjoy this video. If you have any suggestion or any recommendation for me to react, don't hesitate to leave a comment below. Until next time, bye for now.